It's 2021. Let's chat. Hey guys, it's David from Southern Style DIY. Normally this time of year, I'm looking forward to a conference called WorkbenchCon for makers and content creators. I've used it in the past couple years as a good time to look forward to the next year and set some ambitious goals. Unfortunately, WorkbenchCon isn't happening this year, but I still have goals around YouTube that you deserve to hear. So what can you expect from me in 2021? From a content standpoint, YouTube is going to be my primary focus. What does that mean? Number one, you're gonna get more videos. I'm committing to 21 videos in 2021, which is a big step up from the 5 I posted last year. Second, you can expect more variety in my videos. Project builds will still be a huge part of what you can expect. In fact, my next video is going to be a project build I'm super excited to show you. But there's so much more that goes into making you the best maker you can be. Things like tips and tricks to make a task easier, to increase the quality of your builds, or both. Optimizing your shop or workspace so that you don't feel restricted by your circumstances. Or just advice that I wish I knew when I was getting started. Like, it's okay to use pine and pallet wood in projects. The color of your tools doesn't matter nearly as much as that you use the tools you have to make cool projects. And it's okay to make mistakes as long as you own them, learn from them, and you get better from them. Third, I'm gonna start filming for YouTube. In the past, Instagram has really been the driving force for what I film, how I film it, and when I upload. In fact, most of my projects were fully published on Instagram weeks before they ever saw YouTube. This year, we're flipping that. Not only am I going to film for YouTube, but most, if not all, projects are going to be a secret before they get published on YouTube. Instagram might get a teaser or two, but the video will premiere here. I'll take clips from that and publish those elsewhere. Fourth and finally, I want to start engaging again in the maker community here on YouTube. In past years, there were some makers where I ensured I saw a video that they uploaded the same day that it was published. For some reason this year, I didn't really consume much maker YouTube, and it's not because I don't enjoy those videos. I just kind of went down other avenues this year. Not having WorkbenchCon to look forward to this year really has me missing the engagement that I had with a lot of the maker community, and for now, online is the best place to do that. So to recap what you can expect from me this year on YouTube, number one, you will see at least 21 videos from me. You will see more variety in the videos I upload. I've even got a couple of new styles that I'm really excited to share with you. I'll also be filming for YouTube now, and I'm going to be engaging with other makers and the maker community here on YouTube. Speaking of the maker community, last year at WorkbenchCon, I met some extremely talented power carvers, and it inspired me to try my first power carving project, a Deadpool head. I was really nervous at the beginning of this project, but I think you'll really enjoy seeing the project transform, as well as my confidence grow as the project progressed. So I'll see you in that video.